Are you ready to grow fresh veggies in November? Yes, you heard that right. Even as the days get colder, there are still amazing vegetables you can plant right now, especially if you're in Zone 7. Imagine fresh greens, crisp roots, and all the goodness straight from your garden during winter. Curious? Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that surprises a lot of people. What can you still plant in November? Zone 7 gardeners, this is for you. Don't pack up those gardening gloves just yet because there's still time to grow. Why plant in November? All right, first up, let's talk about why it's even worth planting this late in the season. The cool weather in November actually works in your favor for certain veggies. Cooler temps mean fewer pests, and some plants actually prefer a chillier climate to grow at their best. Plus, it's always amazing to get fresh food from your garden in late fall and winter. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and lettuce. Now let's get into what you can actually plant. First on the list, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and even certain types of lettuce. These greens love the cooler weather and will continue to grow with just a bit of frost protection. Spinach, especially, is super cold hardy, and you can expect fresh, tender leaves in just a few weeks. Tip: try planting in a cold frame or using row covers to give them a little warmth. Root vegetables, carrots, and beets. Next up, root veggies like carrots and beets. Here's the trick with these. You want to plant varieties that are cold tolerant and can handle a bit of frost. Carrots actually get sweeter with a little frost exposure, so they're perfect for planting right now. Make sure to cover them with mulch to protect them during colder nights. Fresh, homegrown carrots in the winter? Yes, please. Garlic and onions, plant now for a great spring harvest. And let's not forget garlic and onions. November is actually prime time for planting garlic in Zone 7. These guys need a cold period to develop properly, so plant them now, and you'll be rewarded with a robust harvest come spring. It's one of the easiest and most satisfying veggies to grow with minimal effort. Herbs, parsley, and cilantro. Lastly, let's talk herbs. You can still plant cold-tolerant herbs like parsley and cilantro in November. They'll grow a bit slower, but they'll survive light frosts and keep producing into early winter. Fresh herbs make any winter dish taste like summer, and they're super easy to care for too. So there you have it, plenty of veggies you can still plant in November if you're in Zone 7. Try out some of these options and don't let the cold weather keep you out of the garden. Do you have a favorite winter veggie to plant? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips all year round. Thanks for watching and happy planting!